Good morning. It's, you have to show a picture of Matt. Nothing better than watching a Matt's recovery video in the morning. Well, it's 31 degrees. The reason why I'm showing you the bed of the truck is because we are headed to Ontario, California to get our Snugtop Rebel. Yes, I'm gonna sleep 40 inches off the ground when I don't feel like using my tent. I'm not quite a hipster to sleep up on the roof. At first I considered a cover like I have on the Taco. I've had this thing since 2016. I love it. Folds all the way up, it's metal. It was really tough, but then I decided I wanted to sleep inside. As you can tell, I need to hit the car wash first. Yesterday I talked about putting the weathertech in. My buddy has a brand new Ford with the factory mats, and they really don't fit that well. So I was a little concerned about the weathertech, but they fit like a glove. I went out yesterday afternoon, as you saw in the last video, a little bit of off-roading, and you know, I just wanted to make sure that you know, these weren't going to move around or anything like I'd seen in this truck, but fits like a glove. Well worth the $130 plus shipping. Next, you will see the shell. John here. Well, we went to California Campers on Holt in Ontario to get our new Snugtop. The reason why I'm in the truck is because it's a little windy out. I'm going to step out in a second and show you the new shell. A couple things I just wanted to cover is, you know, when you look in the manual, you know, that comes with the truck, it kind of sucks. This little button, I was like, what is that? Well, at night, that's your blackout button. So you hit that button and the dome lights don't come on when you open the truck. Also, today was my first chance to play with the adaptive cruise control, you know, on Interstate 210 and on the 91. It worked really well. You know, I set my cruise at 70, and if anybody changed lanes in front of me, or I came up upon slower traffic, the truck slowed down. Works really good. From what I've read, not so well in Teslas, but that's another story. And then we're going to move over here. Your typical instrument cluster. And what's this other one do? Well, it actually controls a little light up here that shines down on your console. Now we move over to light cluster. Well, what the heck is this? There's fog lights. Oh, this is your cargo light and your mirror light. And you're gonna say mirror light. Yes, there's the little lights that light up on the mirror. I apologize for the wind. Southern California's had some wind advisories for the past several days. It's really, it was 30 degrees, as you saw earlier when I left the mountains. We could be in Texas. There is the Snugtop Rebel. And one of the things that you'll note is that black lip that comes down over the top of the tailgate. So without the shell lid or camper shell lid popped, it basically makes your electric tailgate release useless unless that bad boy's open. Now we can open it. Now I know in the land and down south where they call sodas pops, they call these toppers. but there's the Snugtop Rebel. It has a light. Kind of sucks that it's not integrated into the lights that came with the truck. The bed liner. Had to get this truck washed today because it was quite dirty. We were out on the trail every day, and it suddenly dawned on me when I looked at the back of it that before I take it to the shell place, I need to get her cleaned up. So we're gonna go back out here because, to be quite honest, this truck has not been clean since the day I bought it, because the day I bought it, I took her in the dirt. There you go. 2021 Ram Power Wagon, 75th anniversary, build number 158. Once again, I apologize for the wind. Tread lightly. See you out on the trail.